Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and I have finally finished my boy doll glow up on my favorite Ken doll, Fashionista 212. We will be discussing this doll in our upcoming video, but I wanted to give y'all a throwback to when we first got him and unboxed him. Enjoy! Hi everybody, it's Jessica, the Dollhouse Curator, and welcome back to the Curated Dollhouse. Before I get started on the TMU, there was one thing that I really had to have for my birthday. I seen it online, and as soon as I seen it, I went straight to Amazon to put in an order for it, and I got the pre-order. So I have been hoping that this was going to come in by my birthday, and I got it yesterday. So I am so excited, y'all. This is Fashionista 212. So I ordered him online through the pre-order, and I think he was released April 15th per what I saw on Amazon, and I got him yesterday. I've already redressed him because I've gotten in all of this amazing TMU clothes. So I am super excited. I think he is gorgeous, y'all. I really do. As soon as I seen this doll, this is the first Ken ever that I was like, I have to have that doll. And I love the entire doll. So he also comes with the prosthetic limb, as you can see. And he's got this big toothy smile. But I love him from head to toe. So I am not 100% sure that I want to rebody this doll. So I say that I'm not 100% sure. I do want to rebody him, but I don't really want to lose the prosthetic leg. So I have an idea kind of flowing around in my head that I think may work. But I'm not going to say anything because if it doesn't work, then there's no use in bringing it up. But because I wasn't 100% sure, I did go ahead and get a doll also that should be a good skin tone match for him in a made to move body. And before I show you that, where can I put him? We'll just hold him right here. We'll hold him like this so you can see the full thing. I do want to give a shout out to one of my favorite YouTube channels. Her name is Faith Elene. It's Elene. And I love her channel. She goes through when she gets all of the fashionistas and she kind of gives you her, opinion on them. But one of my favorite things that she does, and it has saved me so much money, y'all, is that she will do a skin tone comparison. So whenever there's new fashionistas comes out, she pulls out her made to move bodies and she does a skin tone comparison so you can kind of see if they can be rebodied or if there's a close skin tone match. And even though this doll is new, she has not done a video on this new wave of fashionistas yet, but I do know that she probably will. But because I watch her channel pretty consistently for that kind of information, I found a doll that did actually have a great skin tone match for this doll 212. And the doll that I found that had this great skin tone match is the BMR 1959 doll with the green hair. So I originally passed over all of the BMR dolls. They just kind of didn't, I just passed them over. They weren't that interesting to me. But in getting this doll and in thinking that this would be a great skin tone match, I went ahead and ordered him. And y'all, now that I have the doll in my hand, like he's kind of growing on me. I have done just a little bit of preliminary makeover on this doll so far, but I'm not gonna lie, he is growing on me. So he will be a body donor for this doll. And then I will keep this fashionista body so that I can use the prosthetic leg when I want to. And then he will have a made to move body. But I also have another idea, again, that I'm not going to talk about because I don't want to give it away in case it doesn't work. But these are the two things that I got, the two dolls that I ordered for my birthday. So him, because I just really wanted him for my birthday. And then I ordered this one because I thought he would be a great skin tone match, which he is, as y'all can see. Like it is very close. I know a lot of people like to look at the arms against the face, but it is very close. So it will be great for a good match. So I'm going to put this back off to the side. All I'm going to tell you, so I saw this doll. I started thinking about what I wanted to name him, and I came up with 3 names. So I did not name him any of those 3 names, and I will explain to you why. But his name is Leto. And I know you're thinking, Leto, why is this doll's name Leto? Because he was so cute. I really wanted to give him a name, a really cute guy. And the three names that popped in my head was Johnny, for Johnny Depp. I can't name him Johnny because my son's name is John and I have a mini me John in the house, in my dollhouse. So the other one was Ryan, for Ryan Reynolds and Ryan Gosling. They hit there together. And then I was like, I can't name him Ryan because I have a Ryan doll in the dollhouse already. So then I was like, oh, I have the perfect name. Perfect name. We're going to name him Jared Leto. Yes, y'all should know who Jared Leto is. He was just in a movie, Morpheus. I don't know what the movie is. I'm going to mess it up. But he was just in a movie, Morpheus, I think it is. But anyway, and I was like, Jared Leto, this is going to be perfect. And then I thought about Jared. I kind of didn't like the name Jared. So I was like, we're going to name him Leto. I think that'd be perfect. So we are introducing him officially, no longer Fashionista 212. He is now Leto in the Curated Dollhouse. Thank y'all for coming and sitting with me for my birthday haul video and my pretty little birthday outfit. Yes, I always try to do something special on my birthday, but y'all, this one was over the cake. I got all of my dolls in. I got all of the items that I had ordered in, all in by my birthday. And it has been a super nice day. So thank y'all for visiting the Dollhouse Curator. And I'm going to hush, but we will be back next week with a new video and a whole new concept. So thank y'all so much for visiting, and y'all are welcome back anytime in the Curated Dollhouse. Bye.